If you have ever worked with APIs, you should definitely know about Swagger docs. Like, you just start your server in, let's say, fast API, and go to slash docs route, and you have all your API documentation right at one place. You can test your APIs, you can check the input and output schemas all at one place. But we don't have anything like that for MCPs. I can't test my MCP tools, I can't see data about my MCP servers. But what if I tell you that we can do it now with MCP Lens? So recently I was building this application on Swiggy MCP, and there was no way for me to test the tools, etc. I was basically using AI to do the testing for me, and it was basically very hectic and time consuming. So in order to solve this, I tried to think about it, and I came up with this MCP Lens. So this is basically a Python package. So hey guys, how's it going on? Recently I have developed this package called as MCP Lens, and it is pretty useful if you work with MCP servers on a daily basis. Like, they help you test your MCP tools, check your MCP resources and prompts, everything pretty cleanly in a beautiful interactive UI. Let's get into the details first. So it's basically a Swagger UI for MCPs. You don't need to like test everything by testing run scripts, etc. You can just have a simple UI like this and check all the data right at one place. So let's get into some more details about it. All right. So basically it generates you an interactive testing dashboard and UI for MCP servers. No front end code, just a direct plugin. Okay, so it has multiple features. First thing, it can show you a dashboard. You can see all your listed tools in the MCP server. Then you can have your resources, prompts, history. History is basically your execution history, and then we have the settings showing the details of the MCP server. All right, now these are the basic features which I already mentioned right now. And the most important thing, it is very direct, and in just one line you can set up it. All right, you just import MCP Lens, I mean instrument from MCP Lens, and create your MCP servers using fast MCP, and then just one this line, say instrument, within this pass in your MCP app, then say UI is equals to true and set your port, and on this port slash MCP will give you your MCP Lens UI. Just one line of code. Before that, just make sure you install this pip install MCP Lens UI, and that's it. All right. One thing, let me just take you into a real life example. Okay, so this is MCP Lens UI. Now consider this is a single server thing. So the name of the server is MCP Lens. This is just a testing, and this has a version. The transport protocol we are going to use is stdio, and the state is active. So we have dashboard. Currently we have only one connected servers. There are only one tools within this MCP server, and we have one resource, one prompt. Okay, these are execution metrics. Currently we have done nothing, so nothing. So these are tools. Currently I have this get current weather. All right, I'll just give a random latitude here and some random longitude as well. Here is the live request payload which you entered here, and then this is this, and if you click on schema you can also see the schema, and just click on execute and it will execute the tool. You can see the output here. Now isn't that great? All right, we can hide it, we can search for the listed tools, we can do everything. And like Swagger MCP, if your MCP needs some kinds of headers tokens, you can also click on this authorize and enable your authentication here, right? Isn't that cool? Now this is tools, and then we can have resources. Resources are like basically any kind of information you want to provide with the MCP. That is what resources are, right? So this is contents, and these are the resources. Similarly, we can have prompts. Now basically prompts are like if you are going to give something like a location name, like for this pack for trip, right? I will say Hyderabad, and if I click on get a prompt, you will see I am taking a trip to Hyderabad, can you check the weather forecast for that location? Like, if you have a particular prompt structure you want the users or the developers to know about your MCP server, you can create these prompts, right? And this is the history. We executed the tool called one time. This is it. If you click on this, this is the arguments, this is the result output. You can replay your thing and it will create a new entry. You can check this is the replay, right? Now if you go to the dashboard, you can see the execution metrics, total requests, average latency, everything. So this is what it is. And now let me tell you another cool feature. Now if you have multiple MCP servers connected to your app, you can also test this. Like, you can have even two MCP servers at once. So let me show you this how to connect two servers. All right, so you come here, we have created two MCP servers here. The first one is the map app, the second one is the system app. Okay, now here you can see instrument, pass in an array of the apps like math app and then system app. The rest is same. UI is equals to true, UI port, give the UI port, and boom, your server, the UI is live at 8001/MCP, just like this. Okay, you can test the tools. You will see the tools for both the MCP servers here. You can also like search for them, just say add and you will get it, just like that. Click on this, let's say it requires no parameters. You can check the schema just like this, click on execute, and boom, you get your thing, right? Similarly, you have resources. We have resource like this for this. Just think, if you have multiple MCP servers connected, you can just see them like a drop down like this. You can expand and test them all at once, nothing needed. Now this is the execution history, the settings, everything works just fine. Now the most important thing, now this is a basic tool which will help you test your MCP servers, right? So basically I have kept this entire MCP Lens source code open source. You can click on here, go to my GitHub repository, and you can see everything here. The showcase website, this is the showcase website, and we have all the related files here. I want you guys to test it, and if you have any kinds of issues, you can raise issues in the repository. I'll definitely check in them, and if you have anything to submit, follow the contributing.md and make your PRs. If they look good, I'll definitely merge them. So it's basically an open source project, and I'm thinking it's gonna be pretty useful for people, and that is it. And along with that, you can also check the PyPI page for the package if you need any more details. So everything is available right there. So that is all from my side for this episode, I mean for this video. If you have any kinds of queries regarding MCP or MCP Lens, you can drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. And that's all for this video. See you again. Till then, bye bye.